What's up, guys? My name is Khan and we're back today with Gladiabots. Now, it's been a long time since we played this game, and for those of you guys who don't know, it is a team-based AI game. So you have to build a combat AI team where you have 4 different bots, and right now they're all the same, but we can customize them. There's different types of bots, and you have to program them to fight other teams and beat objectives. So I'm actually playing this game because it just hit release today and out of early access today on Steam. So go check it out on the Steam store page. I will include the link in the description. But to give you guys an idea of how this game works, really simply, we've got a training AI, and this is what they teach you how to build. And you know, it's got some really basic commands. Like, for example, if you're losing shield, you can retreat from enemies. If you're carrying a resource, you return the resource to the closest base. And if there's enemies, you shoot them and, you know, go gather resources. So the idea with the game is that you can either kill the opponents or you can gather resources to do it. And of course, I then went and built this crazy monstrosity, which, I mean, it's got so much stuff. There's like retreat commands, and then I don't even know what this is. Some resource gathering stuff, but you can customize absolutely everything. This is like checking the number of enemy bots that are close by, how many there are. You can do all sorts of different things. There's literally infinite possibilities, which makes this game absolutely awesome. It's really easy to get into, and it's really hard to master this game. You can program a really basic AI. So I figure what we're gonna do today is we're gonna go through some more of the campaign. Now, I believe last time I made a video on this, there was only one campaign, but now it seems like there's 3 different ones. But we had started the collection campaign, so I actually want to go back through chapter 1 and maybe into chapter 2. And instead of using this crazy monstrosity of an AI, I want to build an AI team that doesn't fight anybody. And it's never going to fight anybody. It's just going to try and complete the objectives. And I believe if we go to collection, we can see what that is. So let's go to chapter 1, level 1. And so you can see on the map here, we've got all these little resource nodes we can collect. Now, we're the blue team, so we have to collect these resource nodes, bring them back to the blue points. And the red team is trying to collect the red resource zones and bring them back. So we're gonna go to team setup. They've all got the master AI. I honestly don't know how this is gonna do. Now, this is a combat AI, so we're just gonna check it, make sure it works, and then we're gonna build one that doesn't do anything but gather resources and run away from enemies. So, I mean, we can just speed this up here a little bit. All right, yeah, what are you doing? Everybody's, oh, this one doesn't, no one's shooting? Okay, well, did we lose? I think the master AI, it needs a machine gun guy as well, I think. And I believe it also needs a sniper for it to work. I think the machine gun and the sniper dictate who to shoot at, and then these two just kind of do their own thing. So let's see if this works now. Yeah, see, the machine gun, he's going for that guy. So let's speed it up a little bit. And we can just, yeah, perfect. You can see that. See, the machine gun, he docks the targets. Wait, they just keep spawning? What? Oh, that's so cool. That never used to happen. We're literally just, so we have to collect them. You can't just sit there and kill them the whole time. Well, this guy's still collecting. Look at this, is awesome. They just haven't, what is going on? Are you, this is so new. So previously, when you killed an AI, that was it, they were done. But now, with this collection game mode, they just keep spawning. So that's crazy interesting. So you can actually, I mean, this team did pretty well. You can see still shooting stuff, but it's more of an elimination team. It's set to actually kill other teams. So let's get working on a completely pacifist AI that just runs around, avoids enemies, and tries to collect as much stuff as possible. So we're just gonna go to AI editor. We're gonna create a new one here. You know what, we'll call this one the Make Love Not War. Make Love Not War. Perfect, all right. And so we can just jump in here, and we gotta make some nodes. So obviously the first thing we're gonna wanna do is have each of the AIs collect resources. And then the other thing we're gonna want them to have to do is run away from enemies, and that's pretty much it. We don't really care about them doing anything else. So the other 2 game modes were domination and elimination. I'm gonna assume elimination is just killing all the enemy bots, but I have no idea what domination is. I definitely have to check that out in a new video. Like I said, this game just released on Steam today, so it's been on Steam in early access for a while, but it finally hit release today, and these new game modes definitely offer a whole lot more. There's also a whole online matchmaking as well, so you can take your robots, go online, and fight other teams, and the cool thing is, the other players don't have to be online for you to fight them. You're fighting, I guess, like a memory of what their AI is. Because it's all AI fighting, it doesn't matter if the other player is there or not. You just need to know what their AI is programmed to do. So it's a really, really cool setup. and it really allows you to test your AI against other people. And I will say, I did play online before in a few videos, and the skill gap, it gets really, really ridiculous. You'll build an AI that does really well, and then all of a sudden it gets completely destroyed by someone else. All right, so the first thing we need to do is have a condition. Now, everything on the AI works from left to right, I believe, around this sort of point. So the first condition we're gonna have is if you're carrying a resource, so if myself bought resource, carrying resource exists, true, yeah, true or false, so we're gonna say that's true. And again, it's really, really easy to program in this game. Even if you know nothing about programming, you can definitely pick up this game and learn, because it does kind of organize everything in a really nice way where you don't have to really understand it. But really, this is an if condition, right? If I'm carrying a resource, then action, move, I think it's deliver, no, resource, score, move towards the targeted ally base, then scores it. This resource will, yeah. And then the other thing we need to do is if we're not carrying a resource, we need to move towards one. So condition, actually, you know what? We don't even need that. Because it works from left to right, if this condition is valid, so we are carrying a resource, then it won't execute whatever we put on the right here. But if we're not, it'll automatically go to the next line over. So the next line over is going to be action, move, resources, resource, position, distance from me. No, that's not what I want. Move towards resource, closest. Oh, that's what I want, just closest, perfect. Well, that's just perfect. This looks absolutely amazing. All right, here we go. See, this is the problem that I thought was gonna happen. 3 of them are going for the same one. Now, as soon as this one, although he's doing the same thing, so we're not so bad. See, as soon as he grabs it, wait, why aren't you grabbing it? You move towards it, but you don't pick it up. Okay, well, that's useful. All right, so this move towards closest resource is clearly wrong. I have obviously forgotten how to play the game. I think it's resource, catch resource, moves towards the targeted resource, then catches it. You see, that's the one we needed. All right, closest, apply. Perfect, okay. That's, yeah, I had the wrong command. It's fine. Don't worry about it, we got it. All right, so here we go. We got our AI going. I'm not sure how these are programmed. Probably the exact same way. You can see we can click on them so you can see the ranges. You can do all sorts of stuff. You can do stuff with ranges, stuff out of range. You can do don't move towards bots in range, whatever. You can see when we grab the resource, our robots instantly slow down. So we're using the assault bots because they're kind of the best average speed. But it looks like the enemy AI is literally programmed to do the same thing. Now, these two are going at the exact same time, so I don't know what's going to happen. They just stand there? Can no one grab it because it's like a stalemate? He's trying to catch it. You can see every time it evaluates, it shows us this bar, but he can't do it, I guess, because someone else is there, and everyone else is just even. I mean, they're definitely the exact same AI, so let's just speed this up a little bit. Okay, now everyone went mid. Who got it? Wait, they started shooting? Well, that's not fair. We're gonna put in a shotgun class. They move super quick, but they don't have as much health. But I think it'll help us out. Now, we can't put more than one shotgun class. You can only have one. Oh, wait, can I? No, I can't. The shotgun class can't constitute more than 35% of your team. All right, well, you know what? That's fine. The machine gun and sniper are both really slow, so we're just gonna put assault classes and shotgun. And, I mean, we don't really have... I don't want them to shoot, but like they keep getting stuck on that one resource. Let's just try this. Let's see what happens. Here we go. So the shotgun's super quick. It's gonna beat everyone to here, which means hopefully these two, they split up right away. This guy's gonna grab that one. See, it's super slow though once it grabs the resource. It's like the slowest robot ever. All right, well, you know what? This might be good though. No, don't go for that one. Go for that one. If he beats him, that's awesome. Come on, you gotta beat him. Yeah, I think you got it this time. See, the shotgun threw off the whole wave, but it seems like the enemy is programmed so that if there's no resources around to just shoot, which isn't really good because we're not programmed to shoot at all. Now, you'll see we've got 2 health bars here. We've got like a white one and a blue one. I believe the white one is your shields, or maybe the blue one is, and the white one's your health. Either way, you do have shields that regen. So as long as they shoot us and we're far enough away, accuracy does fall off, you can see, with distance. So 95% accuracy, 55%, and then 15%. And different bots have different accuracy ratings. So hopefully... Oh, do we have enough? He's going to shoot. As soon as you get that, he's going to shoot. Yeah, see, there he goes. Yeah, so white's the shield. No, we're fine. We just got to cap this one. And one more. If we can get this last one, we win. Just sit there. Don't worry. Just take the shots. Just die. It's fine. Your sacrifice will not be in vain. As long as this one makes it. Come on, buddy. You can do it. No! They respawn, but like we're totally screwed. Yeah, this is crushing defeat. It was so close. I think, you know what? I think we can do this. All right, so I've actually made one small change. We've got the Make Love Not War Mark II AI. Now, this one is programmed to do something different. These ones are programmed to go towards the closest resource, and this one's programmed to go towards the closest resource to an ally base. Because this one moves so slow with the resources, hopefully it can just really quickly get to a resource, bring it to the ally base, go to the next closest one and bring it there and do it before anybody shoots it. So hopefully this works and we'll be able to beat the absolute first level in the entire game against the worst AI without having to actually shoot them. I mean, obviously all you really need to do to beat this level quickly is just have an AI that's programmed to go and shoot a few of them and have, you know, a couple bots shooting stuff while a couple of bots are just running around collecting resources, and no problem, you'll win it. Especially if you program them to shoot the closest enemy that's carrying a resource, so prioritize targets. I mean, you can do all sorts of stuff like that in this game, and it makes it really, really easy. You can see this shotgun guy got one. He's going to try and snipe this one and hopefully get there. If we can get, I think it's 5 is the limit, right? They have 4. Oh, no, we need 6. So we have to get this one plus maybe that one. Hopefully we can do this. Okay, they're going to get that one for sure. We're going to get this one, but then they're all going to start shooting. But these two will deliver it there. Okay, they've got the delivery. Yeah, shotgun guy's running. Okay, there's no resources. That's a problem. They're just sitting there. Okay, they got that one. This guy's totally gonna die. He's totally dead. No, he's not gonna make it. It's the same sad story every time. All right, so I've changed it up. So now one of the assault bots plus the shotgun bot have this AI which goes towards, you know, the closest resource to a base. But I actually think this is gonna be bad because now we're gonna give them these ones down here. Like, they're gonna take this one. He's gonna grab that. I don't know how much this is gonna help. Maybe we should have them all go towards the closest one to an ally base. I mean, we're gonna get middle now uncontested, so that's 4. Shotgun's gonna turn around and get this one. No, he's gonna go way out there again. Although he's gonna get that one. We just gotta get this one. It's always this one, but maybe this bot can get it. Unless he's, yeah, okay, he's gonna go for that one. And now oh, this is perfect. He's actually gonna get this before they even grab this. This is the way to do it. We're gonna beat this challenge. We're gonna do it. We're gonna beat the combat AI with a pacifist AI. It's absolutely awesome. Proving that peace will win in war. Oh my god, this is actually gonna work. Okay, he's gonna grab that. He's gonna get shot like crazy. He's gonna die and drop it. No, drop it. No, not good. We just lost. We're gonna lose. We're about to lose. It was going so good. You know what? Maybe the problem is they flee from the current enemy. What if we had this guy run into the current enemy instead? Let's do that instead. Now, why we're building an AI that moves towards the closest enemy when it doesn't have anything to do, I don't know, but that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna have 2 of them again and another 2. And, I mean, yeah, hopefully that means they'll just, like, be a target and get shot quicker. I honestly don't know what the plan is here. It's gonna work, though. I'm so dedicated to beating this one level. And we've already beaten this level before. Like, there's not even, you know, I've already beaten it. But, like, I gotta beat it just with a very terrible AI just to prove it's possible. And I'm not gonna give up until we finally get that 6th one. The problem is they shoot. Like, why do they have to shoot? Could you guys just not shoot and then it'll be fine? Okay, so he's gonna beat him, but then as long as he doesn't, he's gonna beat him to that one too. So these 3 are gonna get that one. This is pretty much the same as before. We can fast forward a little bit here. All right, get that. Yeah, you get that. The shotgun guy beats this guy, which is like the biggest problem in the world. Yeah. And then this guy gets shot. Although this guy, see, he's targeting here, so maybe not. This is good. See, he acted as a... Did we get the 6th? We got the 6th! Yes! Victory Royale! Okay, we're never, ever doing that again. All right, just for amusement's sake, let's see if we can actually do this. Now, it says they're gonna try and eliminate me before gathering resources. So let's just see if we can beat mission 2. But mission 1, that was way too difficult, and I don't think we're gonna beat this at all. Let's just see here. Fast forward, grabs that, you get shot at, get shot. I mean, we got 3, oh, we just won. Wow, that was so easy. So I guess we can watch it again, but because the enemy spends their time shooting at us, you can see, we just capture all the resources and win. That's amazing. All right, what about the next one? How many can we actually beat here with this pacifist AI? The enemy is now smarter and also uses retreat. I mean, I don't really care. That doesn't matter to me. I'm going for, oh, no, they killed that one. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna beat this one. Oh, maybe we will. 5, 4, oh no, we did too. Look at that. So as long as they shoot at us first, we seem to be dominating, but that first level where they actually gather resources first is crazy difficult. Oh, now this is where we're screwed. See, now they've got 2 that are prioritizing shooting. Yeah, there's no way. Yeah, I think no matter how many times we replay this scenario, we're never going to beat it. But of course, let me know what you guys think of this game in the comments down below. I think I'm going to play a little bit more of this game on the channel, but I am going to build some more complicated AI. Obviously, this one is really, really bad. The AI campaign is really, really nice because you're playing against AI that are kind of scaled, and they get more difficult as you go on, which allows you to, you know, adjust yours and make it better. But you can see this one prioritizing on not shooting anything is just not going to work anymore, and we're definitely going to have to build something better. But of course, let me know what you guys think of this game in the comments down below. Go check it out on Steam. It is a really, really cool game. I really love the idea behind it and the concept, and it's come a long way since I first played it. And I'm really excited to check out the new game modes and see what they're all about, and definitely play more of it and make some better AI than this one. This one it's pretty terrible, but you know what? We beat a few levels, and perfect. Yeah, defeat. Of course, let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. And while you're at it, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. And as always, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see y'all next time.